The myPDMtools suite from Visiativ allows you to extend and supercharge the functionality of SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional with a range of 20 highly configurable tools. myPDMtools will allow you to further automate your processes and simplify your design team's interaction with PDM, allowing them to concentrate on designing rather than data management. The myPDMtools data recovery tool allows you to smoothly import existing files into SOLIDWORKS PDM, ensures the references are correct and that any external design register information has been added to the files, and all in just 5 steps. Smart Counter enables the creation of automatic counters that can be used for file and folder numbering, avoiding the time-consuming process of maintaining spreadsheets and avoiding the inevitable human errors that occur with manual processes. The myPDMtools doc publication utility automates a potentially lengthy task, simplifies administration, and saves time for both designers and administrators. myPDMtools makes SOLIDWORKS PDM more efficient, more flexible, and even more capable than ever before. Call Visiativ today to find out how you can include myPDMtools in your PDM implementation.